Hello everyone, this is Bradley and welcome to Crypto Daily, a roundup of all things blockchain every day of the week. Now today is Friday, the 13th of May 2022. Let's get into it. Now, in our top story today, Nasdaq has partnered with XP to launch a cryptocurrency exchange in Brazil. The exchange, known as XTAGE, is currently scheduled to launch in Q2 of this year, so we should be seeing that quite soon. Now, interestingly enough, this will be fully integrated into the XP ecosystem, and this is the largest investment brokerage in Brazil, with more than 3.5 million clients and about $168 billion in assets under custody. XP stated that the exchange will initially offer the purchase and sale of cryptocurrencies, but the intention is that the platform will also be able to support other digital assets and investment products based on crypto assets in the future. XP's director of financial products said the creation of XTAGE represents an important milestone in advancing the digital asset market and also our ability to offer investors greater access to the digital asset ecosystem. And also, this isn't the first time that Nasdaq has partnered up with a Brazilian company. I think if you'll remember, in 2019, the American company partnered with Hashdex to support the world's first ever Bitcoin spot ETF. Ruja Ignatova, the founder of the Ponzi scheme OneCoin, has been added to Europe's list of most wanted fugitives. The so-called crypto queen is suspected of being the driving force and intellectual inventor of OneCoin, which, as we know, induced investors all over the world to invest in an actually worthless currency. A reward of up to 5,000 euros, or about $5,200, is up for grabs and offered to any crucial information leading to the arrest of the perpetrator. Crypto really is the Wild West. Investment management company Galaxy Digital recently announced that it has received approval from its board of directors to submit a notice to the Toronto Stock Exchange in order to purchase up to approximately 10.6 million ordinary shares. Now, this is 10% of the company's public float. In other news, crypto software platform Exodus reported a first quarter revenue of 15.4 million, which is a decrease of 35% year over year from Q1 of 2021, ending the quarter with more than 120 million in liquid assets. The process volume at the exchange provider was $730 million during this time, down 49% from $1.4 billion in Q1 of 2021. Metaverse navigation engine project Lighthouse has raised $7 million in a seed round co-led by Shekel, Block Tower, and Animoca brands. The funding will be used to grow Lighthouse's engineering and community teams, expand the universe of worlds it partners with, and also launch its platform in summer of 2022. And lastly, crypto-powered payments platform BVNK has raised $40 million in a Series A funding round led by Tiger Global. The project said that it's looking to further expand its senior team by hiring in the project, engineering, and commercial sectors. Now, the Central Bank of Chile has delayed its plans for a central bank digital currency, or CBDC for short, saying that the issuance of a digital Chilean peso requires a deeper analysis of both the benefits and the risks involved. The bank promised a new report toward the end of the year. Meanwhile, the Bank of Israel said that it has received public support for its plans to possibly issue a digital shekel on grounds that it would help the economy by supporting innovation in the payment system. They added, however, that they still have not made a final decision, but that the responses indicate support for continued research, so something to keep an eye on. Now, FTX.US announced that it has applied for a trust charter with the New York Department of Financial Services to operate in New York and also to bring FTX.US markets to NY users. The company has also appointed Marissa McDonald to serve in the role of Chief Compliance Officer for the New York company. Bitcoin miner Iris Energy saw a revenue of $15.2 million during the first quarter of this year, which is actually down about 24% from the $20 million experienced in the previous quarter, but was actually up by about 5 times from $2.8 million a year earlier. But anyway, that's it for your daily roundup. So remember, we post news every single day of the week, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you're always up to date in everything crypto. And I will see you on Monday. Have a nice weekend.